finally we're here at the new facade of Metro Stores. So mauna gini siya katong sa una na may numduman ninyo na sunog. Very sad for Cebuanos because this really has a lot of memories for families, no, here in Cebu. So finally they're reopening tomorrow, January 29. Check them out tomorrow, guys. And don't forget there's going to be a sale from maximum of 70% perhaps. So I'll be showing you what's on sale in the toy and travel department. So see you around tomorrow, guys. Grabe, daghan kayo on sale, guys. So this is the new facade. It's so beautiful. So I'll be showing you what's inside as well. So go ahead and check this video. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we're here today at Metro Stores once again. We're back for another sale which is starting tomorrow until February 7. So we'll be checking out their toy section and as well as their travel section. So I'll be showing you a lot of products put on sale today, especially from 30 to 70%, I guess. So let's go ahead and check them out. Alright, there you have it. Those are all the toys put on sale starting tomorrow, January 29 until February 7. Check them out. Guaranteed savings whenever you come here at the Metro Stores, specific to the toy department. So let's go ahead and try to check the travel department now. See you later, guys! Hey guys, we're here now at the 6th floor to feature some of the products that they're putting on sale from January 29 to February 7. Let's go ahead and check them all out. check out all the suitcases, luggages, and bags that are on sale here at the Metro Stores Travel Department. They're located on the 6th floor of the Metro Stores, Metro Ayala, Cebu. So don't forget, the sale will be ongoing from January 29 until February 7. So see you around. Bye guys!